All right, guys, we're day 24 in the house. Today we're gonna get started on some flooring. So we're gonna try to get as much done as we can. We got about a half day to work with, so should be looking cool by the time we're done with it. So yeah, we'll be here today and tomorrow working on flooring. What else are we working on today?
Oh, the lights went in. Did you already say that?
No, electrician's here putting in lights, so
Yeah.
got a few in. He'll be back tomorrow night to throw the rest of them in, so should be all lit up in here soon. So yeah.
It's getting lit.
This is all we got done today. Got the front room done. Looks pretty cool. And we got about half the living room done. Got
our island light.
Got some island lights in. We need to buy light bulbs, but this floor is pretty sweet. We'll clean it, obviously later. It's got like a lot of variation to it and stuff.
You can't see it.
It's nice and long in here. Yeah, we got some cam lights up and our island lights, so. Looks pretty good. We're back tomorrow. Hopefully get the flooring done in the living room. See how fast I can work.
Come together.
Hopefully tomorrow we can get this done, and then I'd like to at least try and get the bathroom done so we can get a toilet set and have a toilet in here. Be kind of nice, but looks good with the beam, that's for sure.
Yeah, we need to put some more stuff underneath it in between this crack here.
Okay.
So you can't see that. Or at least it'll blend a little bit better.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
All right, we'll be back and finish out this flooring.
Good night.